Hi friends, happy Wednesday. So we're going to keep working with our multiplying by 11. We'll do a skip counting by 11, finding the multiples of 11, and then we will do a couple of problems. Again, I think this should be fairly easy for my friends. You guys are all rock stars and you all been doing so amazing so far, so we'll just keep up the great work. And then I'll show you two problems at the end, and then you can go and practice your own problems. Right, so let's get started. So remember, when we are skip counting or finding multiples of a number, we always start with that same number. So I know I've said this before, but we're working with 11 this week, and that's where we're going to start. So I want everyone to say it with me. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Let's do it one more time. Remember, friend, these are all your multiples of 11. There are more, but these are the ones we're going to focus on. Ready? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Awesome job, friends. So now let's get to our multiplying. I have a multiplication problem here, 4 times 11. Now, I told you a little trick yesterday. When you're multiplying any number times 11, it's always that other number doubled. So, if I have 4 times 11, I'm going to know to write my 4, my other number, I'm going to write my 4, and then double it. So, really, it's just 4, 4, which makes 11. Now, again, just in case you can't remember that, and that's okay, I still want you to practice, if you need to, making your equal groups and using your touch points. So I will show you. If you don't need to, that's fine. But I want to continue to give us options to use when we solve our math problems, because I know math can be a little tricky, but you guys have been doing amazing. So I have to make 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to skip count by 11 on my 4 groups to get my answer. So 11, 22, 33, 44. So I got the same answer. Now, friends, look at all these numbers that we have here. So we have 11, which starts with a 1, and then it's doubled, 1, 1. Then we have 22, which is a 2, but then doubled. So I have 1 doubled, 2 doubled, 3 doubled, 4 doubled. That's how we find our multiples of 11. It's actually pretty simple, friends. So yeah, I'm sorry, friends. So it's the same thing when we multiply. So 4 times 11 is 44. Now, just like if I have it this way breaks it down for us because we've been working with this 2 digits by 1 digit number. So 11 times 9. And I know, just like we do in addition and subtraction, we have to start at our ones place. So I start at my ones place, and I have 1 times 9. Well, we know that 1 times any number is that same number. So 1 times 9 must equal 9. And then I go to my tens place because I finished my ones place. And again, I have 1 times 9. It doesn't matter what number is here, you're always going to have 1 and 1 because 1 and 1 make 11. And we already know that 1 times any number, in this case 9, equals that same number. So 1 times 9 equals 9. It's easy peasy because it's 1 times a number and 1 times a number. So we're going to get the same number because these two are the same numbers. All right, friends? So, clear the screen. If you had to, you could still make your equal groups. If I have one group nope, I'm sorry. Clear. If I have, we can make 9 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and if you want to skip count on them by 11, so 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Same thing. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 9 equals 9. 11 times 9 equals 99. Great job, friends. You all did an amazing job. I'm so proud of you. Now you have a worksheet doing similar problems just like that one. And I'm sure you'll all do an amazing job. Just remember, 11 times any number is that number is then doubled. Okay?